Morning to everyone. Today we will have the revision of chapter number 9, exercise 9.2. In the previous video we had already completed the revision of 9.1. So dear student, here it is said that find the sum, isn't it? Here it is asked about to find the sum. So let's see what do you mean by sum. Sum, that means what we have to do is we have to do the additions of the numbers which is in the form of rational number, fraction, addition, decimal, whatever. Okay, so here we are having the first question. Okay, so what is the first question we are having? That is 4 upon 5 plus minus 11 upon 4. This is the question we are having. Okay, so here in this part the solution is given wrong because look at very carefully. As the question we are having 4 by 5, here the question is being changed. So this solution is wrong over here. What I am solving, that is the correct solution. So since we are having the numbers in the form of a unlike term because their denominators are different, so taking the LCM of the denominators, what will be? That is 5 and 4, it will be 20, isn't it? Now let's see how to solve. What is the denominator? We got the denominator as 20. Now 20 comes in the table of 5 how many times? That comes in the table of 5 4 times, minus 20 comes in the table of 4 how many times? That is coming 5 times, isn't it? So 4 into 4 it will be 16. 16 minus 55 upon 20. Okay, this solution is wrong over here, dear student. So here we are going to see what is 1655, isn't it? Now subtract it. If 15 will 1 will get 5 will give carry to 5, it will become 15, isn't it? 4 minus 3 it will be 1, sorry, 4 minus 1 it will be 3. Okay, now 15 we are having, 15 minus 6 9. So what is the answer over here we will get? That is 39 upon 20 is the answer. Clear? As the sign is as the 55 is greater than 16, so here minus sign will come with this. Clear? Now next question we are having. What is the next question is? That is 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5. We have to find the sum of this number. So let's find the sum of this number. How to find? Since it is an unlike term, look, it is an unlike term. How it is an unlike term? Because their denominators are different. If their denominators are different, that means we have to change it into like terms. For changing it into the form of like term, what we have to do is we have to take the LCM of the numbers 3 and 5. So what is 3 and 5? The LCM will be, it will be 15, isn't it? So taking the LCM 15, how much it will be? 5 will come in, 15 will come in table of 3 how many times? 5 times. So 5 into 5 we will get. Clear? Plus 15 comes into the table of 5 how many times? 3 times. So 3 into 5, isn't it? Sorry, it is 3 coming, not 5 times. 15 comes in the table of 3 times, that 3 will be multiplied with numerator 3. 15 comes in the table of 3 how many times? 5 times, that 5 will be multiplied with numerator 5. So 5 into 5 will be 25 and 3 into 3 is 9. How much? 5 into 5 is 25 plus 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 upon 15. Now when you are going to add 25 plus 9, it will be 34, isn't it? So here the answer will be 34 upon 15 is the required answer for this. Now the third part solution we will have. Have you understood now? So what is the next question? Minus 9 by 10 plus 22 upon 15. Again this is an unlike term because their denominators are different. So we are going to take the LCM. Okay. So take the LCM of the number. Can we take it directly by 5? Of course we can take 2 and here 3 is coming. Then 2, 3, 6. 6 into 5 because 2 and 3 we will have. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 5 is 30. So what is the LCM of the number we are having? 30. What is the number we got as an LCM? For 10 and 15 is 30. Now 30 comes in the table of 10 how many times? 30 comes in the table of 10 how many times? 3 times. So that 3 will be multiplied with the numerator 9 plus 30 comes in the table of 15 how many times? 2 times. So that 2 will be multiplied with the numerator 2. Have you understood? Now 9 3s is how much? That is 27. Okay. Then plus 22 into 2, that is 44 upon 30. Now 44 plus and minus will be minus, so 44 will be subtracted with 27. What the answer we will get? That is 17 upon 30 is the answer. Clear everyone? Next we are having the fourth question. Fourth question is again a very simple and an easy one, that is minus 3 upon minus 11 plus 5 upon 9. So the minus and minus will become plus. So 3 upon 11 plus 5 upon 9 we are having. Now taking the LCM of this 11 and 9, since their denominators are different, so it is an unlike term. If it is unlike term, we have to convert into like term. Then only we can have the addition and able to find the sum, isn't it? So finding the LCM of 11 and 9, what it will be? When we are going to find the LCM of 11 and 9, we will get the LCM as 9. So 99, isn't it? Because 11 into 9 will be 99. That's why. So 99 comes in the table of 11 how many times? That comes in the table of 11 9 times. Plus 99 comes in the table of 9 how many times? Okay. So that will be how much? 5 into 11. 99 comes in the table of 11. Wait student, let me explain you again. What is the LCM we got it? We got the LCM 99, isn't it? Now 99 comes in the table of 11 how many times? That comes 9 times. Okay, plus 99 comes in the table of 9 how many times? 11 times. So that 11 will be multiplied with the numerator. So 3 9s is 27 plus 5 11s is 55 upon 99. So 5 plus 7 is 12, carry 1, 8 upon 99. So what is the answer we will get? 82 upon 99 is the answer. Correct? So here third, fifth, sixth and seventh part you can do with your own. Okay. Last part, the seventh one I will explain you once more, and this sixth part. Whenever any number is going to be added or having a sum, the same result we will get, student. When 1 is added with 0, 1 itself, answer will be 1 itself. That means any number, either it will be a smaller number, greater number, positive number or a negative number. Okay, whatever the number, when it is added with the 0, we will get answer as the same number. Okay, so the answer will be minus 2 by 3. And the same with the last part, we will have minus 2 1 by 3 plus 4 3 by 5. Okay, do it in the form of since it is in the form of a mixed fraction, we have to convert it into improper fraction. So minus 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 4 into 5 plus 3 upon 5 we are having, isn't it? So minus 2 into 3 will be minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1 will be minus 7. So minus 7 by 3 plus 4 5 is 20. 20 plus 3 is how much? That is 23. Now look, we had converted the mixed fraction in the form of a proper fraction, improper fraction, isn't it? So what the number we are having over here? Minus 7 upon 3 plus 23 upon 5 we are having. Now since their denominators are different, that means we have to, it is an unlike term, isn't it? If it is an unlike term, we have to take the LCM of the denominators 3 and 5, that will be 15, isn't it? Now 15 is the LCM, so 15 comes in the table of 3 how many times? 5 times. So that 5 will be multiplied with the numerator 7. Okay, minus 7. And now 15 comes in the table of 5 how many times? 15 comes in the table of 5 how many times? 3 times. So it will be, the 3 will be multiplied with the numerator 23. So minus 7 into 5 will be minus 35 plus 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 3 into 2 will be 6 upon 15. So 6 upon 9 minus 35, because plus and minus will be minus. So here 4, here 3. So what is the answer we will get finally as? That is 34 upon 15. Plus it will be, because 69 is greater than 35, that's why plus will come over there. So plus 34 upon 15 we will have the answer. Clear students? So for today, thank you everyone. Next day we will have the revision of question number 2. Thank you.